Like many of you, we have been converting all of our lawn equipment to battery powered. And today, we're going to show you our newest tool, which is a Craftsman V20 Battery-Powered Edger with a steel blade. Let's walk you through it and check out the features. Howdy, partner. Our friends at Lowe's sent us this Craftsman V20 Battery-Powered Edger, and it came nearly fully assembled, just a couple little nuts to put together. It's very lightweight and should have good performance. We're going to check that out and walk you through it. So this particular model that we have here, we'll link in the description. It did not come with a battery. We have a bunch of V20 tools, so we have plenty of batteries, but you could buy it with the battery. It's got here on a trigger with a safety feature, as well as a trigger. Nice hooks if you have the VersaTrack hook system. It's got an adjustable handle here, make it comfortable for you. What I really like about it is it's got dual wheels. So this is not something you're going to have to lift on your own. It's going to ride flat against the ground. And you can pick the height that you'd like with this easily adjustable guard here, as well as a nifty little piece that'll help you trace along that concrete sidewalk or edge or whatever else you're trying to do. It's got the battery operated motor here, and overall, pretty simple. So let's go ahead and put a battery into it and show you how it functions. Also, gonna put on my safety equipment like my eye goggles. It's pretty quiet, so I don't really need my hearing protection. Let's check it out. So we're using a 4 amp hour battery, but it'll work on any batteries. And you see, sounds great, and I like the fact that it's actually a steel blade as opposed to a string trimmer. So let's see how this goes and see how this height is. This particular piece is pretty overgrown on this stretch near the driveway. Let's go ahead and work this along. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we'll blow it and see how it actually did and if we got a crisp, clean line. So that was just one cut, no camera tricks. Let's get the blower and see how it did. You know what? That's pretty good. If you want to come around to all angles. That was a razor sharp line on some old edge that hadn't been done in a while. We're going to go ahead and run through some more of the sidewalk. This says it can do up to 1,000 feet of edging per charge. And overall, so far, that is really sharp. Let's go check out the rest of it. All right, well, honestly, that's 2 thumbs up. I am super impressed with this edger. Those were just 2 passes, relatively quickly walking through. I expected to have to do some cleanup, but as you can see, the lines are crisp and clean, and it had not been edged in a couple months. We had these big long pieces of grass we pulled off here. Everything right now is wet and muddy, had no issue whatsoever. Again, if this thing gets bogged down, if it hits the concrete or something, it goes ahead and stops itself, but then it starts right back up. One thing I really liked about it is the ergonomics of it with these 2 wheels. There's really no weight, and it just walks itself along there. You can get that right height, and it just makes it really, really easy. So far, this is pretty awesome. We'll link this edger in the video description. It comes at a pretty low cost, and it is a really, really nice tool to have. Again, virtually no maintenance, none of that. It's trying to pull and get it started with a gas edger that's been around and sitting in the garage for a whole season. It's ready to go, works great, plenty of battery life on a charge, and as you saw, really excellent results. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments about this particular product, please put it in the comment box, and I'll try to get right back to you. Again, if you want to check out more home how-to tips and tricks as well as some awesome product reviews, be sure to like, comment, more, subscribe to Mr. Greg's How To so we can share these neat finds with you. Again, thanks for watching, and remember all these projects and products, if I can do it, you can too.